Hi students, welcome to new video. In today's session, we are going to discuss some problems related to concave lens and convex lens. So the first problem, a concave lens of focal length 15 cm forms an image 10 cm from the lens. How far is the object placed from the lens? Draw the ray diagram and find the magnification. So this is a concave lens. This is the optic center. So in case of concave lens, we know the focal length is on the left side of the optic center. So here the focal length is given. This is f1, 2 f1, this is f2 and this is 2 f2. So this distance is given 15 centimeter. Focal length is given 15 centimeter. F is given 15 centimeter. So what is sign for the focal length? It is negative because it is in the left side of the optic center. So the focal length is negative. It forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. If the image is formed at 10 centimeter from the lens, we know that the image is formed is always, in case of convex lens, we know that the image formed is always virtual and erect. So here it forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. So the V form is, so the V is given, V is equal to 10 centimeter. So what is the sign for V? It is also negative because in case of concave lens, the image is always formed on the left side of optic center. So the value, so the sign for the V is always negative. So the sign for V is negative. How far is the object placed from the lens? And draw the ray diagram. So we have to find the value of U. So we can use the lens formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So we know the value of U. We have to find the value of U. So 1 by V minus 1 by F is equal to 1 by U. So what is the value of V? So value of V is minus 1 by 10 minus of what is the focal length? Minus 1 by 15. So 1 by U is equal to minus 1 by 10 minus of minus plus 1 by 15 is equal to minus 15 plus 10 divided by 150 is equal to minus 5 divided by 150. So U is equal to minus 150 divided by 5 is equal to minus 30 centimeter. So object is placed at minus 30 centimeter. So the U is minus 30 centimeter. So the focal length is 15 centimeter. Focal length is 15 centimeter. So 2F is equal to 30 centimeter. So the value of 2F is 30 centimeter. So the distance, the U is also 30 centimeter. That means that we are placing the object at 2F. So we are placing the object at 2F. Negative sign indicates that we are placing the object on the left side of the optic center at 30 centimeter away from the optic center. So this we are placing the object at here at 2F. We are placing the object at 2F. Next we have to find the magnification. Magnification is equal to V by U. So what is the value of V? So what is the value of V given? Minus 10 centimeter divided by what is the value of U? Minus 30 centimeter. So what is the value of M? It is 0.33. It is 0.33. Next we have to draw the ray diagram for this. So we are placing the object at 250. Here we are keeping the object between infinity and optic center. When we are placing the object at between infinity and optic center, we are getting an image between f1 and optic center. So here we are when we are keeping the object between infinity and optic center, we are getting an image between f1 and optic center. So here the focal length is given. So the focal length is given minus 15 centimeter. U is given minus 30 centimeter. The magnification is positive means the image formed is virtual and erect, and it is the 0.33 means the image formed is very small when compared to the object. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet again in the next video.